Hello, everyone. This is Time Trade. Let's trade with an understanding of the market situation and the use of the most advanced artificial intelligence. Right now, I will demonstrate the work of the trading bot in practice. By the way, this tool can be tested for free without registration. To do this, follow the link in the description to the trading bot interface. Click the menu button, select the Start command, and click the Test Signals button. Try this artificial intelligence. If everything suits you, use the terms of the promotion and take the bot for free and forever. Details in this video. I also want to add that very soon I will have a release of a cool training course for beginner traders. To get it for free, just subscribe to my Telegram and join my Time Trade team. Well, I'll start a turbo boost of the deposit. Now, I will choose a pair for this trading session. I will work with the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. Expiration time is 1 minute. In the first trade, I will invest $500. In each subsequent trade, I will increase the investment amount by $500 to boost the deposit. Now, I return to the trading bot interface, press the currency pair button and the expiration time button for 1 minute. The trading neural network makes an analysis, and as you can see, it gives a forecast that the price will go up. Now, I go to the pocket option broker, assess the situation on the market, and open a trade for a price increase. The main thing is to be able to correctly interpret signals from artificial intelligence. In this video, I will show 5 more trades in which I will use signals from the bot. I will open the second trade for $1,000 and will continue to increase the investment amount. For ease of viewing and time saving, I will increase the speed of price movement during editing. Friends, I want to tell you a little more about the terms of the promotion. Only this month, you can connect this trading tool for free. After connecting, the neural network remains with you forever. Every day, on permanent terms, you will receive an unlimited number of signals that can help you make the right trading decision. The link is in the description. Go to this bot and, using its instructions, join the community of people who use artificial intelligence to improve their analysis. If you have any questions, be sure to write to our manager. He will help you understand all the nuances and connect to the broker. As you can see, the first trade ended successfully. Well, great. Let's open a second trade for $1,000 using a signal from a neural network, and at the end of the video, we'll record the results of my trading session. Guys, I also want to add that I have a very cool training material that I am giving you now for free. All you need to do is just join my team, follow the link in Telegram, subscribe, and get free training. This course explains in detail how to read a chart and learn how to use technical analysis for successful trading. A professional trader shows in practice the nuances of price movement and determines how areas of support and resistance affect the market. By the way, you can also additionally join my trading sessions, observe trading in practice, and learn to make smart trading decisions. Real trading is an effective way to adopt the experience of a professional. So write to me in private messages using the link in the description to study the market with me and gain experience. I do this for free. Well, if you don't have enough experience yet, you can trade using artificial intelligence. If you interpret the signals from the bot correctly, the price movement will be more predictable and understandable. Let me remind you that you will find the link to the bot in the description. Within 30 days, go to the bot interface and take it for free. The neural network remains with you forever. I want to add that in my videos, I do not conduct financial consultations and do not give recommendations. I just show how I apply my logic and neural network for trading. Your results may differ. The currency pairs market is one of the most dynamic for trading, which is why maintaining a strict daily routine, developing self-organization, and constantly controlling emotions is not just desirable, but absolutely essential for success. Many novice traders underestimate the importance of a stable daily structure. Yet it is precisely this structure that creates the foundation for calm and conscious decisions. Trading in a chaotic rhythm, without a fixed schedule, leads to fatigue, overtrading, impulsive actions, and a growing emotional burden, which in a volatile market can turn even a promising strategy into a series of losses. The market constantly reacts to global events, unexpected economic decisions, interest rate changes, and breaking news, which means that traders need to keep a cool head at all times. Volatility, although it offers many opportunities to make a profit, at the same time tests psychological resilience and forces traders to act quickly but not emotionally. Without inner discipline and the ability to subordinate emotions to logic, it becomes extremely difficult to survive and grow in this environment. That is why self-organization and the habit of acting according to a clearly defined algorithm become the pillars of stability for a trader. Following a daily routine allows the mind to remain calm, allocate energy rationally throughout the day, and avoid emotional exhaustion. Trading should not become an emotional roller coaster. It should be approached like a business, where there is a clear plan, analysis, and a systematic approach. And this is where the use of technical analysis and artificial intelligence becomes especially valuable. A novice trader often lacks the experience to correctly assess the market situation on their own, and under the pressure of rapid price changes, they can make hasty and illogical decisions. But when trading is based on competent technical analysis combined with signals from a powerful neural network, the trader gets not only a second opinion, but a real guide in a sea of chaotic movements. For example, the neural network that is used in our trading process does not rely on just one or two indicators, but analyzes data from 12 technical indicators simultaneously and also monitors the news background in real time. This allows it to detect trends, hidden market weaknesses, and reversal points faster than a human can. Thanks to such smart assistance, a novice trader gets the opportunity not only to earn, but also to gradually learn and understand the laws of the market more deeply. However, it is important to remember that artificial intelligence is not a magic pill, and its use makes sense only when the trader himself remains organized, emotionally stable, and acts strictly according to the rules of his strategy. Emotional outbursts, attempts to outplay the market after losses, or doubling trades without reason often lead to losses, even when the neural network gave an accurate signal. Therefore, strict self-discipline, respect for trading time, rest, and analysis, as well as clear adherence to the recommendations of the trading bot and signals based on technical logic, are the formula that allows even a novice to survive and develop in the currency pairs market. Subordination, the ability to subordinate your personal emotions, impulses, and subjective opinions to verified data and strategy, is a professional trait that must be developed from the very beginning. In a market where price changes can occur in a matter of seconds and no one is insured against sudden fluctuations, is the trader's internal order, his adherence to schedule, logic, and proven signals that form the basis of long-term profitability. Every successful trading day begins not with market noise, but with a calm preparation, verification of the neural network signals, assessment of news risk, and awareness of one's own emotional state. Only such a comprehensive approach allows you to act clearly and calmly, regardless of external circumstances, and this is the path that gradually leads to professionalism and confidence in trading. Let me remind you that you can get artificial intelligence for trading for free under the terms of the promotion by following the link in the description. If you combine your technical analysis and signals from the trading bot, you can get impressive results. Meanwhile, let's sum up this trading session. With the help of signals from the neural network, I closed 6 profitable trades and significantly increased my deposit. Link to free bot is in description. For beginner, it is very convenient assistant for market analysis. Is time trade. Have a nice day.